How to disable startup programs on Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable startup programs on Windows 11. Startup programs in Windows 11 are applications that automatically launch when you start your computer, often slowing down its performance. Hence, it is essential to disable unnecessary ones for faster boot times. So let's start the video. Right-click on the Start button and select Task Manager from the menu, so click on it. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys on your keyboard to open Task Manager directly. Now, in the Task Manager, click on these three lines to open the menu. Navigate to the Startup Apps tab in the left menu, so click on it. Here you will see a list of all the programs that launch automatically when you start your computer. As you can see, each program has a status indicating whether it's enabled or disabled. To remove startup apps, let's say we want to remove this Messenger, simply right-click on it and select Disable from the context menu. As you can see, this app is now disabled at the startup. This is how you can simply disable startup programs on Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.